Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. In today's video, I want to talk about a few simple ways that you could improve the lives of your chickens because, you know, happy chickens lead to happy chicken mamas, or in my case, papas. So stick around. So the first thing I would say about raising happy chickens is getting them out on grass as soon as possible. And the way that I like to do that is with chicken tractors. This is a newer chicken tractor that I just put together using scrap wood, scrap pieces of PVC, and a very cheap tarp, and some plastic chicken wire all the way around. It's about 4 feet wide and 6 feet long, so it's not super big, and it's not going to house these birds forever. Maybe another month, maybe, because they're growing very, very fast. But they're a lot happier when they're out on grass, and the sooner you can get them from the brooder out on grass, I think the happier and healthier the chickens are going to be. So right now, to make these guys a little bit happier, I'm actually going to move this tractor a few feet to some fresh grass so they could eat some more bugs and destroy some weeds for me in the yard. So hold on a sec. So in this chicken tractor, I have 6 lavender Orpingtons that I hatched a few weeks ago. They might be about a month old, a little bit over a month. But they've grown in size now, and the little waterer that I have in there, they just keep knocking it over because it's too small for them now. One more thing I'm going to do to improve the lives, at least of these specific chickens in this tractor, is I'm going to give them a new waterer, because this little waterer that I've been using for them since they've been in the brooder is just not big enough for them. I have to fill this up more than once, sometimes a day. They're drinking a lot. It's been hot. Also, their fluffy butts have gotten so big that they keep knocking this over, which is another reason why I need to fill it up a lot, because they keep knocking this over and spilling. So, lucky for me, a company called Roosties reached out to me and asked me to review a few of their products, and they kindly sent some to me. And it came at a very opportune time because I could improve the lives of my chickens very much with the new waterer that they sent me. So I'm going to show you that real quick that I got from Roosties. So hold on one second. So here we are. This is what I was sent from Roosties. I don't know if this will focus on that. They gave me a chick feeder and waterer set. And I'm going to open this up and take a look and give you my honest review of this product. And I am very excited to do that because this waterer and feeder have legs that lift them up off the ground, which is going to keep their water and food a lot cleaner, because with that previous waterer that I showed you, they kept getting all dirt and poop kicked into it somehow, no matter how often I cleaned it. So I'm very excited to show and upgrade their living situation, because I care about these chickens like children. For some of the other products that they have on their website, they have a DIY feeder and DIY waterer kit that I'm actually very interested in and might purchase myself. So you can go to their website or check them out on Amazon. www.roostys.co. I'll put that up on the screen. So here is the waterer and the bottom. This is how they just nicely lock into place. I actually just purchased for my other birds in my other chicken tractor a slightly larger chick waterer from Tractor Supply recently. And for some reason, that one, I always have trouble locking it and unlocking it. It gets really, really tight for some reason. And I know I haven't put anything in it yet, like, well, I haven't filled it with water yet, but this is a lot smoother than the other one that I got at Tractor Supply. And I'm not sure why that is, but I like how smooth it is to open and to lock and unlock. That's nice, because it's just a hassle to do that sometimes when it's not working. Here are the legs. little plastic legs, but these actually seem to be put a little bit better. These seem a little bit more sturdy than the other one that I got at Tractor Supply. They just seem to have a little bit more resistance. The other ones are a little bit looser, so sometimes the leg will push in by accident. These, see, they don't push in by accident. I like that immediately. This is a little bit more sturdy than what I got at Tractor Supply. So that's good. I'm going to fill this up with water and give it to the birds. Okay. There you go. Turn to the right. That's awesome. Very simple. This actually came with a little handle for the top, and I'm just going to hook that in there. Nice. Let's put it in here for the birds. How do you like it? I think they like it. That's definitely going to be a lot easier to keep clean. Be a lot harder for them to kick dirt and poop up into that, for sure, with those legs. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? I just wanted to show off another part of that kit that I got from Roosties. So this is their chick feeder, and I'm going to compare it real quick to this other feeder that, you know, just your generic feeder that I got at Tractor Supply, and some differences that I noticed between this one and this one. The first difference that I noticed, it's a very subtle, but this this one from Roosties is just a little bit taller, and I think that is good because it means they're going to have to dip their beaks a little bit deeper into here, and there might be less waste of food, which is good. Other thing about this that I don't like is that it's very difficult to clean this. You can see there's some leftover food still stuck in there. So this one that I got from Tractor Supply, it works well when they're small, but when they get a little bit bigger, this there's a lot more waste when they're digging in to eat, I noticed, because this is a little bit more shallow than this one. And another thing is that this is going to be easier to clean because it comes in two parts. So this feeder, you can take this apart and really clean this out nice. If I could just get this in the way it's supposed to go. There you go. It snaps in real easy like that. And you could, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but this is definitely a tiny bit, a few inches deeper, so you might have less food waste, which I think is a good thing. But it's also nice that it'll be easy to clean because you can take this bottom part apart. So that's just a nice little add-on that Roosties put on, and I like that. These ladies behind me getting a little excited. They always assume that I'm going to give them treats because I always do. Hey, get your head back in there. So I am going to spoil them a little bit with some of my Grub Terra black soldier fly larvae. And this is a really good treat for your birds. Look how crazy they go for this. By the way, you can use my code TinyFarm and get 10% off anything in Grub Terra's store, and I'll put a link below if you want to check that out. Another way to make your chickens' lives a little bit better. I put a little food in here. Yeah, I like this. Let's see how the Lavender Orpingtons like this new feeder. Another special treat for you ladies. See, are you hungry? Oh, you are hungry. Yeah, I don't see them knocking many onto the ground. That's a good sign. Although even if they do knock it out, it'll still get eaten. But less waste is always a good thing. Feed is too expensive. Awesome. Man, I am sweating bullets. Is it like super humid wherever you guys are? Let me know down in the comments, because I've been sweating so much the last few days. Anyway, the next thing that we're going to use to improve the lives of our chickens is another product from Roosties, and these are chicken nesting pads. Now, this is something that I had actually planned to purchase, not from Roosties, but I had been looking specifically at some other ones that had some, I forget the material that they were made of, but it looked like a natural soft material that you could also clean and reuse, which I really like, because the nesting boxes can get filthy sometimes. The nesting boxes can also be kind of annoying to have to constantly clean out their whatever you're using, pine shavings, I'll use straw, whatever I have. I've used grass clippings, whatever is easy to get. So here are the nesting box pads from Roosties. Definitely plasticky. I could see how this would be easy to clean. Just spray this out very easily with a hose. It's not as soft as I would hope it would be. I'll have to see what our birds feel about this nesting pad. I actually have a broody hen that's been in the box for several weeks now, and of course I don't have a rooster at the moment, or I would be hatching some chicks probably. But she's in there. I'm gonna try to grab some of the eggs out from under her and replace all of the straw with this and see if this makes any difference on the chicken. I'll have to get her opinion. Alright, so I was actually wrong. Either the broody hen got out for a snack or just gave up on hatching, because she's not in there, but there are a few eggs in there, and there's definitely not any more material in the box. So we're going to clean that out real quick. I'm going to clean out this one as well and put in these new pads. Oh, hello, young lady. In goes the new nesting pad. Not sure the best way to put this in. Here's what it looks like. It's good timing because they just kicked out all of their straw and pine shavings I had in here. So let's see if somebody will come in here and check it out for me. It'd be good timing. No? You don't want to go in? Well, somebody's been in here. That's good. Let's test out how easy it is to clean this out that they obviously made dirty already. Awesome. Nice. Man, I am definitely sweating bullets since I started this video. This is ridiculous. The last way that I want to talk about how you can easily improve the lives of your chickens is with adding on to their bedding. If they are in a static run like mine are, you need to periodically add some mulch or wood shavings, pine shavings, grass clippings, something to layer up that carbon material so that they're not in a muddy mess. And we've got a lot of rain recently, and just my luck, my neighbors cut down that tree back there and gave me all of this mulch for free. And there's a pine tree. This stuff smells so good. It's like mulch with a natural air freshener. It smells so good. So I've started putting this into my chicken run, and I'll show you right now. I tell you, it looks a lot better in here, and it smells a lot better in here. Don't you think, ladies? Ladies? Opinions? Yeah? I think it adds a nice look to the run and definitely improves the smell. So it gives them more things to do because they got a lot more to dig through than just mud. They got a nice thick layer of mulch now, and this is a really nice chipped pine bark. So I'm really happy that I got my hands on some of this for free, the best kind of mulch, but also it smells really, really, really good. So very happy with it, and I'm pretty sure these birds are too. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video on a few ways that you could easily improve the lives of your chickens. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also want to say thank you to Roosties for giving me, sending me these items to review. And I have to say, I do think the quality is there, and I purchased a lot of things from Tractor Supply that were cheap and price-wise and were cheap quality-wise. These products seem to have a little bit more quality, and I do like that. You want things that when you buy, they're going to last for a while. I've wasted a lot of money. I give Tractor Supply a lot of money, so maybe it's time we give some other companies like Roostys a chance to give some quality there for our chickens. So I do recommend their products. The jury's still out on the nesting pads. I haven't seen the chickens go into the box yet, but they've already laid their eggs this morning, so maybe I'll get them tomorrow. So if you're interested in checking out Roosty's products, I'll put their website up here on the screen and a link down in the show notes below this video, so you can check them out and see for yourself if you're interested in getting any of their products. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.